Hi, I'm Chris Chidzik with IMTS TV, and I'm here with Harry Brandycourt and Dave Rhodes of Up, and we're going to be talking about the Up app today. Could you give us a little bit of background on your company?
Sure. We started last year in 2017, spent most of the year developing the app, and we had a controlled launch in November in a 3-state area in Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio. And then from there, we started marketing to the Northeast, Southeast, and proceeded to have organic growth going from East Coast to West Coast. And we are now just launching our 2.0 version of our app.
Awesome. And could you describe the application a little bit?
Sure. The app is a digital platform that connects people that are having downtime issues with a network of providers. So if you're a manufacturer, you got a machine that goes down, you can submit a request in the app out to service providers in the area you're located by the manufacturer of the machine you have go down.
That's really cool. So I just open my iPhone or Android device and go to the App Store and get it?
Absolutely. You can download it through the Apple App Store, through Google Play, from our website, theupapp.com, as well as there's a desktop version that you can use as well, and you can see that from our website.
Okay, so once I've downloaded the application, what do I do?
So if you're a manufacturer, a service requester, if you will, you input your information, where your company's located, your machine, so manufacturer type, technology type, milling, drilling, laser, whatever, in service stage, serial number, those type of pertinent information. And then once you have a service issue, you go into the app, select that machine, describe your service issue, when you would like it resolved, and then submit your request. And at that point, it goes out to an array of service providers that are in your geographical area or do work on your type of machine, and they'll submit bids for the work. And so once you submit or receive those bids, you can make a determination of what's important. Is it cost per hour? Is it availability? And select the one you want, and then the connection's made.
Awesome. Now, I have a pretty standard machine that's down. About how many bids could I expect to get?
You could probably see anywhere from a couple to north of 30 bids.
Awesome. And how much does all this cost?
Totally free. So free for the requester, free for the provider.
Awesome. That's super cool. Now, I do repairs. Do I do the same process as the manufacturer? How do I get signed up with this?
Absolutely. You just go in, put the states where you do work, the type of machines that you work on, and just wait for the request to come flowing in.
Awesome. And what really makes this application different from other products out there?
One of the biggest differences is that, first of all, it's free. Mm-hmm. The other one is we are trying to drive that usage because we are absolutely independent in the sense that we are sharing all of this information, we're sharing this capability with the whole industry. Our entire goal is to increase uptime for the requesters and to provide access for the providers. The second thing is that we have significant technical capabilities to do integration to either partner with other folks, which is one of the things we're trying to accomplish here at IMTS, to, again, extend this capability as much as possible within the industry.
Awesome. And a little bit earlier, you were telling me about how a user increased their revenue. Could you go into that a little bit?
Oh, it's been really exciting.
Sure. We had a user down in the Southeast that actually emailed us, very excited, his first 2 jobs that he received, and he put a bid in and was awarded that bid. He made over a significant amount of money, increasing his revenue on opportunity he knew nothing about or would have never known about had it not been for our app.
That's really awesome. Now, what brings you guys to IMTS? What are you hoping to accomplish this week?
The biggest thing is we want to, A, drive usage, which we talked about, and the second is we're looking for partnerships because we think that we can bring this into the industry, and this is a capability that is not new in terms of you see it on Angie's List, you see it on Airbnb, you see it in several platforms bringing 2 parties together, but it's brand new in the industrial machine space. And so we have already talked to several folks at the show, and we hope to talk to a whole lot more about how we can bring this capability to industrial machine tool space.
That's really interesting. Thank you guys so much. That was Harry Brandycourt and Dave Rhodes of Up, talking about the Up app. I'm Chris Chidzik with IMTS TV.